Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change username in Canva. So, your Canva username is part of your public profile and can be updated anytime through your account settings. Whether you're rebranding using a new business name or simply want a different username, so Canva makes the process quick and easy. So, open Canva and sign in to your Canva account. Next, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Next, select your account. Now, under your profile, so scroll down to your account and look for your name or username. Then click Edit beside it. Then enter your new username. So, if the new username is available, click Save to apply the changes. And as you can see, changes has been saved. So, you can see the name has been changed, and that's basically it. So, make sure you keep it short and easy to remember. So, username or brand for better recognition and avoid unnecessary symbols or random numbers if possible. And make sure the username is unique and available. So, changing your Canva username only takes a few minutes and helps keep your profile aligned with your personal or business identity. And that's it. Thank you for watching.